What we got next? A truck displays its view on the back to help drivers. Oh yeah, this is smart.
What is this?
That's the truck's view.
Oh, so you can see in front of the truck.
See in front of the truck.
So like hard braking.
That's pretty cool.
No hard brake. Slow brake. Plus, you got a giant QR, just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case you want to go look at the ad, whatever it is. Boardway Life. What is it, like an Instagram account or something? Is it always broadcasting or recording or something along those lines? Mo's trying to scan the QR at the moment. What's going on, Mo?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, okay.
What's it bring you to?
Nothing right now.
Mo, I think you should say hi to everybody. They're really worried about you.
What's up, chat?
Oh, gee. Oh, wow. Holy. That was more than we bargained for right there. That was aggressive. As I heard a can get kicked. He's still scanning Q. Oh, not happy.
Maybe it's a fake, dude.
And he keeps moving through.
Maybe it doesn't go anywhere.
And there he goes. There goes Mo. Anyway, look, he's fine. No reason to be concerned. I don't know what he was doing over there, back there. He's scrambling around. He's trying to get that Supra into play. Oh, there he is. He's still there.
I'm just gonna be off.
You can come on the couch.
Yeah, but it's not plugged in.
I mean, we can plug you in.
No.
Here's move my bag. Throw it over.
Yeah, I mean, Mo, people are worried. They just want to hear a word or two, you know?
Look at this guy. He's all stoked.
Oh. Anyone on the couch, he's just.
It's jazz.
You're in his world now.
Yeah,
Hey.
it's too much.
You're in his world now.
Yeah. Cool.
Anyways, back to the show.
Well, you
Hit
got to put
this.
your mic in front, though.
Hit
That's
this,
the
hit
thing.
this.
No, I don't think.
Yeah, it's not on right now.
Oh, he doesn't. He actually doesn't have a mic.
No.
Kind of shows this.
That's what I was saying. No, go on with the show.
Kind of show we running over here. I thought this was CNN Ultra.
Oh boy. Anyways.